Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Pandas on Windows operating system. Either it may be 11 or 10. Okay. First open the command prompt, Windows run cmd, hit enter. First verify list of the packages installed. See, I have only pip. Okay. Now update the pip version by using python -m pip install -upgrade pip. See, requirement already satisfied. This is the latest version. We can also verify the version by running pip index versions pip. See, installed version is 25.3 and latest version also same. Okay. Now install pandas. CLS to clear screen. Pip install pandas. See, it is installing pandas and numpy. See, we have successfully installed numpy 2.40 and pandas version 2.3. You can also verify the same. CLS to clear screen. Pip list. See, we have installed pandas 2.3.3 and numpy 2.4.0. Okay. Now verify the same. Going to Python, then import pandas as pd. Now verify it. Print pd dot underscore version, close the bracket, hit enter. See, we got the same version here and here, both are same. Okay, this is one way of installing pandas by using pip. The other way is, if you have installed Anaconda Navigator, you can open the Anaconda command prompt, Anaconda prompt, then we have to run Conda install pandas, hit enter. See, permission denied. Okay, now open Anaconda as administrator, Anaconda run as this administrator, then Conda install pandas. See, now we are able to install. Okay, we have seen two ways to install pandas on Windows operating system. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.